कावन्सिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चरा कडल्यान नोंदणी क्रमांक दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान गोंय आर्किटेक्चर महाविद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी वर्गाचेर बहिष्कार घातलो। महाविद्यालयात 250 परस चड भुरगीं शिकतात, पूण 50 परस चड भुरगे कावन्सिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चरा कडेन नोंदणीच ना। उरिल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक दोळे धापून हे नोंदणी क्रमांक दिल्यात, जे मेरिटाचेर आसात तांकां कुशीक काडल्यात म्हणून वर्गाचेर बहिष्कार घातिल्ल्या भुरग्यांचो आरोप।
कावन्सिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चरा कडल्यान मेळपी नोंदणी क्रमांक भोग गरजेचो आसता। हो क्रमांक ना जाल्यार पदवेक वालोर ना। वास्तू रचनाकार म्हणून स्वतंत्रपणान काम करतले आसत जाल्यार हो क्रमांक सक्तीचो आसता। प्राचार्याक विचारल्यार तो मागीर सांगता म्हणीत फुज्यो काडटा। जो मेरेन आमकां नोंदणी क्रमांक मेळना तो मेरेन आमी वर्गाचेर बहिष्कार घालतले अशी शिटकावणी विद्यार्थ्यांनी दिल्या।
So we are students of Goa College of Architecture, and when we join college in first year, so basically we have this governing body of India called Council of Architecture, and when we join admissions in first year, I'm in 5th year right now, and when we join in first year, each student is given a specific Council of Architecture serial number, a registration number, and that registration number stays with us till after we pass out and get our degree, and it's what we use to apply for a license from the Council of Architecture of India, and to practice. It's been needed as for a license. Now in 2019, the government of Goa released the EWS quota, saying that there will be a number of students added for admissions from all colleges across Goa. Our college was from 40 students, we were allowed to take 50 students in from the government of Goa. And the problem here is that our administration hasn't informed the Council of Architecture about this increase of seats when I was in first year. This is back in 2019. Now, because he has not informed, there are 20% of students from each class from the past 4 years have not, including our current first year batch, do not have their 20% of students do not have their COA registration numbers. Now, this is a big issue because once they pass out, they won't be able to practice architecture, so these 5 years will go to waste for them. Now, this we have recently come into light. This issue has recently come into light for our students over here. And when we went to confront the principal on Wednesday about this issue, we confronted him. He's like, this was that he has applied for approval for these numbers, but they did not get back to us. Or when we don't know the facts yet, but he told us this, and that the numbers have not come in for these 20% students, which we have because we have gone. Students have gone and cross-checked on the COA website. 20% from each class do not have their numbers.
दीस पयलीं आमकां असो इशू कानार पडलो की आमचे कडेन COA नंबर ना. सो COA नंबर कितें? COA नंबर आमकां कावन्सिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर दिल्ली हांचे कडल्यान मेळटा एडमिशन घेता तेन्ना. आतां हांव 5th इयराचो स्टुडंट, 5 वर्सां जालीं, म्हजे कडेन नंबर ना. नंबर नासतना हांव प्रॅक्टीस करूं शकना. सो हांव कितें म्हणटा, हो नंबर आमकां कित्याक दिवना? आमच्या क्लासींतले थोड्याच भुरग्यांक नंबर मेळ्ळा. सो तो नंबर मेळ्ळा तो कसो रँडमली दिला, एज पर मेरीट सुद्दां दिवना. सो अकॉर्डिंगली म्हाका सांग, नाटा तुमी घेता एग्जाम, नाटाच्या प्रमाणे तुमकां मेरीट नंबर मेळटा. सो ते मेरीट नंबरा प्रमाणे कित्याक दिवना नंबर? रँडमली कित्याक घेतला? सो हाजे बेजीस कितें तें आमकां सगळ्यांक कळपाक जाय, सगळ्यांक आन्सर जाय. कित्याक हाजे फुडें आमकां फुडार आसा आर्किटेक्चरान, आमी फुडें कितें करपाचें हाजेर आमकां उत्तर जाय. सो रिस्पेक्टेड कोण ऑथॉरिटी आसा तांच्यांनी आमकां सारको गायडन्स दिवचो आनी हाजेर इशू कितें आसा तो हायलायट करचो सगळ्यांनी.
समीप नार्वेकारा सयत ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV.